Umkhunu uphenya ngesinqumo sakhe sokuhlakaza ithimba lamaphoyisa eliphenya ngamacala okusoconga kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal iPKTT kanye nokuxhumana neqembu lezigebengu okuyizinsolo aziphikayo. Umkhunu ube nomhlangano nabaphenyi enommeli wakhe emzini wakhe ePitoli izolo.
The police sent a message yesterday in the early afternoon requesting the availability of the minister in order to process the application for them to have the gadgets that he used on daily basis in pursuing their investigation. So they did arrive in the early hours of the evening yesterday at his official residence in Pretoria, and the minister was in a company of his lawyers, and the gadgets were properly given to them, the lawyers having satisfied themselves that the search and seizure warrant is legitimate.
Umkhunu uveze ukuzimisela kwakhe ukusebenzisana nabaphenyi.
The nature of the investigation we are not aware of, or rather we are not too sure of. But given the fact that Minister Mkhunu has nothing to hide, and he did expressly said in his appearance at the ad hoc committee of Parliament that he is willing, provided that the police are following the proper process of the law.
Khathi evele phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende liphenya izinsolo zokuhlambukela kosombusazwe ekusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa, Umkhunu wagcizelela ukuthi sasemthethweni siphusile futhi eqonde ngaso ukwenza ngcono ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa. Isinqumo sakhe sokuhlakaza ithimba lamaphoyisa eliphenya amacala okubulawa kosombusazwe iPKTT. Wakuvuma nokho ukuthi akazange axhumane nokhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene Fani Masimula, ukhomishana waKwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhonazi kanye nekomiti longqongqoshi IMC ngaphambi kokuthatha lesi sinqumo, kepha wamazisa umengameli wezwe ethi iPKTT yabe siwenzile umsebenzi wayo eyayisungelelwe wona, ngakho-ke kwakufanele ingene ngaphansi kwezimpiko i-Serious and Violent Crimes ne-Organized Crime Unit. Belungakaphuma usuku lokuvela kaMkhunu phambi kwesicawu sekhomishana kaMadlanga ephenya zona izinsolo zokuhlambukela kosombusazwe kusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa kanye nenkohlakalo.